Welcome, food lovers and travel enthusiasts to Tokyo. This city, a dazzling mix of neon lights and ancient temples, often gets a bad rap for being expensive. But Tokyo on a budget is an adventure full of incredible food and unique experiences. From vibrant street food and budget-friendly accommodations to serene temples and bustling markets, get ready for an unforgettable journey through Tokyo. Let's get started. Alright, let's talk accommodation. Forget fancy hotels. Tokyo's capsule hotels are an experience in themselves. Imagine snuggling into your own little futuristic pod, complete with a comfy bed, personal light, and sometimes even a TV. These capsules are surprisingly spacious and incredibly affordable, starting from just $20 a night. Can you say relaxation after a long day of exploring? Trust me, staying in a capsule hotel is more than just a place to sleep. It's a cultural immersion and a story to tell. If capsules aren't your style, don't worry. Tokyo is teeming with budget-friendly Airbnb options. Imagine waking up in a traditional Japanese apartment or enjoying green tea on your private balcony. For the same price as a capsule hotel, you can snag a cozy studio apartment or a private room in a local's home. Experience authentic Tokyo life and get insider tips from your host. Tokyo's hotels may be small on space, but they are big on value. From cozy rooms to essential amenities, you can find comfort without breaking the bank. Many business hotels offer clean, comfortable rooms, free Wi-Fi, and even breakfast buffets. Plus, their convenient locations near train stations make exploring the city a breeze. Chapter 5. Couchsurfing, your gateway to authentic Tokyo. For a budget-friendly, immersive experience, try couchsurfing. Crash on a local's couch, live their daily life, and get insider tips. Share meals, discover hidden gems, and gain a unique perspective. Be respectful, help with chores, and cook a meal from home. Title: Convenience Store Cuisine, a foodie's paradise. Alright, let's talk about everyone's favorite topic: food. Forget overpriced restaurants. Tokyo's convenience stores, or konbini as the locals call them, are a culinary wonderland for budget travelers. Imagine this: steaming hot onigiri, rice balls, with savory fillings, creamy egg salad sandwiches, crispy fried chicken, and an endless array of instant ramen options. And the best part? It's all incredibly affordable and delicious. Ready for an explosion of flavors? Tokyo's street food scene is not to be missed. From the bustling streets of Shibuya to the charming alleys of Asakusa, get ready to tantalize your taste buds with an array of savory and sweet treats. Don't be afraid to try something new, ask locals for recommendations, and most importantly, come hungry. Sushi lovers, rejoice! You don't need to splurge at a fancy restaurant to get your sushi fix in Tokyo. Head to any local supermarket, and you'll be greeted by an impressive selection of fresh, affordable sushi. Grab a tray, pick your favorites, and enjoy a delicious and budget-friendly sushi feast in a nearby park or by the Sumida River. No trip to Tokyo is complete without a soul-satisfying bowl of ramen. Luckily, you don't need to empty your wallet to experience this iconic Japanese dish. Tokyo is a ramen lover's paradise with countless ramen shops, each specializing in their own unique broths and toppings. From the classic shoyu ramen to the spicy miso ramen, prepare for a symphony of flavors that will leave you craving for more. For a convenient and affordable taste of Japanese cuisine, look no further than the humble bento box. These beautifully arranged lunchboxes are a feast for the eyes and the stomach. You can find bento boxes at most convenience stores, supermarkets, and even specialized bento shops. They're the perfect grab-and-go option for a picnic lunch in the park or a scenic train ride. Now that we've covered the delicious food, let's dive into some of the amazing free things to do in Tokyo. First up, Sensoji Temple, Tokyo's oldest temple, dating back to the 7th century. Pass through the massive Kaminarimon Gate, guarded by the fierce statues of the thunder and wind gods, and enter a world of peace and tranquility. Take your time to admire the intricate architecture, soak in the spiritual atmosphere, and maybe even try your luck drawing an omikuji, a fortune slip. Escape the hustle and bustle of Tokyo at Meiji Shrine, a tranquil oasis dedicated to Emperor Meiji and Empress Shokin. As you walk through the vast forested grounds, breathe in the fresh air and feel your worries melt away. Marvel at the towering torii gates, Stroll along the serene pathways and admire the beautiful iris garden, especially stunning in full bloom. Meiji Shrine is a reminder that peace and tranquility can be found even in the heart of a bustling metropolis like Tokyo. Chapter 13, Weno Park, your gateway to culture and relaxation. Calling all nature lovers and culture vultures, Weno Park, Tokyo's sprawling urban oasis, offers a perfect blend of natural beauty, cultural attractions, and budget-friendly activities. Stroll through the park's picturesque pathways, rent a rowboat on the serene Shinobazu Pond, or simply relax under the shade of a cherry blossom tree during spring. Weno Park is also home to a cluster of world-class museums, including the Tokyo National Museum and the Tokyo Metropolitan Art Museum. Chapter 14, Harajuku, where kawaii culture comes alive. Ready for a sensory overload? Buckle up and get ready to dive into the heart of Harajuku, Tokyo's epicenter of youth culture, fashion, and all things kawaii, or cute. Take a stroll down Takashita Street, a vibrant pedestrian paradise lined with quirky boutiques, colorful cafes, and crepe stands selling outrageous creations. Harajuku is a feast for the eyes and a photographer's dream, offering endless opportunities to capture the unique and ever-evolving street style. Chapter 15, Tokyo from above. Free observation decks. Want to soak in panoramic views of Tokyo's sprawling skyline without spending a yen? Tokyo offers several free observation decks that provide breathtaking vistas of the city. Head to the Tokyo Metropolitan Government Building in Shinjuku, where you can ascend to the 45th floor for free and enjoy panoramic views of iconic landmarks like Mount Fuji on a clear day. These free observation decks are a must-visit for budget travelers and photography enthusiasts alike. Otro, your Tokyo adventure awaits, so there you have it, fellow adventurers. Tokyo on a budget is an adventure waiting to be explored. From cozy capsule hotels and delicious street food to serene temples and vibrant neighborhoods, Tokyo offers something for everyone. Thanks for watching. Give us a thumbs up and click subscribe for more budget travel tips. See you in the next video.